Hey there, fellow truth seekers. I'm Dr. X.
Hello, world. I'm Roboy.
Today we're digging into one of history's most iconic predators, the dire wolf. But was it just a bigger, badder version of today's wolves? Or something more?
I bet they were secret government experiments. Or maybe alien wolves, direct.
Not quite, Roboy. But the real story might surprise you. The dire wolf, Canis dirus, roamed North America during the Pleistocene epoch. Bigger and stronger than modern gray wolves, they were apex predators, until they mysteriously vanished.
Vanished? Like, poof! Did they get raptured?
No, but climate change and competition from smaller wolves likely did them in. Still, some say their legend lives on. Could dire wolves still exist in remote wilderness? Cryptid hunters report massive, unknown canids in places like the Appalachian Mountains.
Or maybe they're hiding underground with the mole people.
Let's stick to the facts, Roboy. But the line between science and myth, it's thinner than you think. So, were dire wolves just Ice Age killers? Or do their ghosts still prowl the shadows? The truth is out there. But for now,
stay curious and watch out for giant wolves.
Attention, truth seekers. If you enjoy uncovering history's greatest enigmas and tolerating a certain robotic sidekicks, unique perspectives.
Objection! My perspectives are 87. 3% more logical than your acceptable science. Doctor!
Then activate that subscribe button immediately and engage the notification bell. Unless you prefer Roboy's conspiracy rants catching you off guard.
Warning! Non-subscribers may experience targeted meme bombardment. Kidding! Or am I?
Your participation powers our mission. Like, comment, share. It tells the digital overlords more ancient mysteries, fewer dancing hamster videos.
Query. Did someone say hamster videos? Focus! Robot! Promote the channel.
We're counting on you. Until our next discovery.
Affirmative. Stay observant.
And as always, question everything.
Project's holographic subscribe button. Objection! Kidding! Or am I? Objection!
Oh,